how to use Canva's magic eraser to edit photos. So first, I'm going to upload a photo that has a photo bomb in it. And I just borrowed this from the internet. Don't plan on using it anywhere but in this video. So here we go. It is loading and we see our friend in the background has jumped into this beautiful photo. So to get rid of our friend here, I'm going to use the magic eraser tool. I can make my brush size bigger if that helps. And I'm just going to highlight around this object as best I can. And then when I release my mouse key, it takes a little bit of time, but that is gone. So now I'm going to save my photo. Let's go ahead and download it back to the computer. And here's what it looks like. All done.